While we do what we do selflessly, honoring our own commitment to excellence, we are unknowingly being seen by many we can only imagine. These words best describe the role of a hero, committed to unwavering integrity and passion, fueled by purpose.
Price, a member of the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, for outstanding performance in the field of athletics at the international level.
Well, it definitely means a lot to be honored in your country for your service and your hard work. And I think for me, being able to represent my country is always an honor. And for me going forward, I think just continue to raise the bar, continue to work hard, continue to be committed, and again, the legacy is about impact, making sure that other young girls know that they too have a path and they know the path and they too can achieve success from a path or a similar path like Shelley-Ann.
For exceptional achievements in sports of track and field athletics at the national, world championship and Olympic levels.
I'm just grateful to be standing here receiving this award today. I'm just grateful. I would have never imagined, but definitely hard work pays off. It's just for me, it's just probably where I come from. I just want to stay motivated. There are a lot of persons in my community who probably see me and want to be like me or better than me. So I think that keeps me motivated. A lot of youngsters look up to me, and for that I'm just grateful.
Outstanding contribution to music, philanthropy, and positive pro-social message to youth.
I decided several years ago to spend more time and give more energy and effort to things that are, in my view, of national importance and different things that I'm also passionate about. And an award like this is, to me, just encouragement to continue along that path. I'm proud of my involvement with the Retransform program because of what it means for those juveniles in the system and what it can mean if they change the direction of their lives.
Dr. Amina Isolane Blackwood Meeks, Badge of Honor for Meritorious Service for contribution to the development of the literary arts in the Jamaican culture.
It means that we are on purpose, and it means that it is being recognized that we are on purpose. It's all about the future. It's all about maintaining what we have. Sometimes we live on the legacy, we live on the name, and we don't build on it. So my dream is that those who have been impacted by my work will build on it.
These honorees are on a journey, each with different paths, and as their work continues, so will the stories on their impact.